The goal is to make $100,000 this year by day trading futures. Today, I lost $2,000 on my funded account. Good morning. Let's look at the news. All right, so we had some big news today. Core PCE, personal income, personal spending, all at 8:30. And the charts reflected that. If you look at the 1 minute chart, there was the manipulation at the 8:30 news. Price drew down but decided to head up to data highs. I believe this could be the high of day. Don't take my word on it, but it could be. It could be. All right. Let's look at the daily candle. These wicks right now are showing me that price wants to head down a little bit lower, which is great because if we're overall bullish, then we need this imbalance to be filled. Maybe possibly tap into that order block and then send price upward. So that's what I'm going to be looking for today. I'm going to be looking for a lower drawdown into this area. And if it doesn't, then, you know, maybe we can catch some scalping trades. Looking at the 4 hour, price had completely rebalanced all of this right here. It does look like price is respecting this fair value gap over here, but we'll see what price does. Okay. If price heads down lower, then we're going to be targeting this right here. 1 hour seems to be a bit bearish. This is a new day opening gap, so in shorter terms it's called an end dog. Price decided to fill this volume gap and then head into the median of this order block. To me, it looks like price is going to head down lower. We'll see. There's some good areas of sell side liquidity here. There's internal liquidity here, internal liquidity here, relative equal lows here. So we could be seeing price head down lower today. 5 minute. It looks like this was the manipulation move up, so price could head down lower. There are relative equal lows down here, so price could be headed toward those lows on the 5 minute. But I don't have my funded account yet, so we will be sitting tight and waiting for a trade, possibly in the PM session, depending on when my funded account comes. I will be paper trading and I can document my paper trades until then, but I would really love to trade my funded account. My rules are 1.2K maximum gains, minimum $500 in gains, and max daily drawdown will be $500. So those are my rules. All right, Joe. I was in a call, so I couldn't record my trade and entry, but this is my execution. I had a quick scalp up. The reason why I took that trade is because I saw price displace up, an energetic move, which turned my bias bullish. So I entered here and targeted this area because if you look at the 5 minute, there is relative equal highs from this high to there. So with that in mind, I took an entry here and sold there. I am looking for price to come back down a bit before I take another position. There are great areas of liquidity here, here, and here. If price decides to move up, I believe it'll hit the 4 fib right up here, but we'll see. We're gonna be a little patient right now. That trade that I took put my account at a positive of 170. So again, my minimum goal is 500, maximum goal is 1.2K. Max drawdown for this account daily will be $500. So those are my rules, just a reminder, and we'll be looking for the next trade. All right, tagged in. Let's see how this position goes. Looks like I'm going to be stopped out. There we go. So that was a $58 loss. There's an inverse fair value gap right here. I'm going to remove the executions real quick because it's getting the charts a little messy. There's an inverse fair value gap that I'm about to enter if this candle continues upward. 1 mini. Stop loss down here. Take profit up here. I'm going to move the take profit to the same level right there. Let's see how this play turns out. On the mini, I think I'm going to add 2 contracts here. Let's go. I think I'm going to get stopped out. Yep, stopped out on my mini contract. So now my account is $180 drawdown. Okay. $187 loss. Alright, let me tell y'all something. Controlling your emotions when trading is the hardest thing to overcome. I can't just walk away after a loss and follow my rules for some reason. I'm literally chasing trades, revenge trading, not managing my risk. Everything I shouldn't do, I am doing, and I know this. I know this. And I'm really sick and tired of hitting my daily max losses and locking out my accounts and blowing accounts, so I need to change ASAP. Over the weekend, I'm going to come up with a trading model so that I can stick to it, so that I enter when price hits different parameters instead of finding reasons to enter, which is basically what I'm doing right now. So someone in the comments on one of my videos mentioned that I should write down why I am looking to enter this trade or enter a trade before I enter. And I need to implement that so I can find reasons not to enter a trade instead of finding reasons to enter a trade. Alright, today's trade summary. Looks like crap. Lost $2,019.14, took a total of 72 trades. 31 winning trades, 41 losing trades. Did not manage my risk well. Didn't do anything pretty well today, but it's alright. It's okay. Here are some action items for me for the weekend. Create a trade model I want to follow. Number 2, identify parameters to enter a trade. Number 3, identify when to exit a trade. I'm going to create this and put it in my community posts, so just check it out over the weekend and let me know your thoughts on the plan. I'll see you on Monday.